Okay. We have this. We have this. We have these. We have that, which I probably won't touch. But there's more. These are my drawers of stuff that I barely use anymore. So we're going to go through and we're going to try to get everything in here instead of that lovely little box. So it can be a little more organized. Whew, let's dive in. All right, here's my basket. Oh, there's my girl. Isn't she pretty? All right, here's my basket. We're just going to start dumping. Okay, I'm just going to hold it up here with my knee. And we're going to see what we have. Okay. I always keep these like I pretend I'm actually going to do the looks and I don't. This Steel Kitten. Oh, it's almost out. I'll keep that though. I'll put that in my thing. This color I'm going to keep. I think like all of these are going. These Cliniques I really don't use anymore. They had their beautiful time. This had its time, but they're very small. I just like bigger surface areas and I tend to not reach for this anymore. These are all old. They're so cute, so I kept them, but they're old. I don't use them. These I got a while ago. I don't really like that color. This I have something better quality. They're from Target. They're cute. If you're on a budget, they're great. Snackaroons. This is a really nice highlight. Shimmery, definitely shimmery. So if you're not into the shimmer, forget it. All right, I'm going to keep both of those. Some of the stuff I don't use. I'm going to keep this lighter one. As you can see, I have used that, and I liked it. This one, I didn't love the color. This Wonder Stick, I'm going to get rid of. This is Scandal Eyes. I'm going to keep that. I like that. Oh, that's where, I didn't even know where this was. There we go, my little lash comb. And tweezers, we will keep those. Oh, this is to put eyeliner on, like to make a wing, and guess who never uses it? Boom. All right, I have found something I love better than these. I do like my Nude Glow, so I'm going to keep that one, but I do not like this. This has a weird smell too. Oh, the marshmallow one, that is almost empty, and I found one that's really better for your body, more natural. So far, bye. All right, lippies, the Forgotten Lippy drawer. This one didn't even like the color. This one I don't use, it's old. This one, oh, that one had avocado in it and made me break out. I'm allergic to avocado, I didn't know. That didn't like the color, old. I'm trying to think if I like that color. I'll hold that one out. I do like this. I'm going to keep Chunkiest Chili. And I do like this lip liner for my darker colors. Perfect. This is Lust. And I've used most of it. It looks kind of old and yuck, so we're going to get rid of that. All right, so we've emptied the drawers. We're keeping these for now. Getting rid of those. Now we are going to dive into this madness. Ooh. So I have this from the other thing we just went through. Nude sticks. I absolutely love this stuff. I use it on my cheeks, my lips. Yeah, here was the NYX Wonderworks. I like that one. I'm going to keep that. That's like a highlight and that's the official term for it. The po-po. There we go. The contour. Okay, lovely, love it. Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, that is my go-to. This is my go-to powder. I just got a refill at Sephora because it's the VIB sale because I'm running a little low. Benefit Rockatori, yes, that's my go-to homie, always. That's a brush, I'm gonna stick with my brushes. This is the only tinted brow mascara I use by NYX. It's a good one. And this is my red. If I want a red, it is NARS Cruella. Love you. This is my go-to eyeliner now. Right now, because I got this, I think, free with purchase or something. Lancome, I do like it. Ultra Precise Waterproof. So that's been good to me. I found my L'Oreal ones. The brushes started doing weird things. I have a bunch of mascaras I'm going through because I am running out. So I'm starting to use my like samples and stuff. So I'm keeping those. Clinique, yes. Eyeliner, keeping that. Nude Glow, yes. I like this if I need a more fuller coverage. I don't like full coverage anymore, really. I have really dry skin in the winter. I just can't do it. So this stuff I love. It says medium coverage. That's about right. It's CC, but it's good enough for dry skin. But my new jam is it Ilia is the brand? ILIA. I will get to that in another video. And Clinique, even better, is decent. I'm going to hold on to that one. And then we have, wait, one of these is old. Okay. I have Maybelline Instant Age Rewinder. This is, oh, I don't even know. Yeah, this is the old one. So I'm going to get rid of that. I have a couple mascaras. Like I said, I'm like running low on this. I was combining this with my Maybelline one, which I don't know where it is. These two, Better Than Sexes, came with my Christmas stuff. If you haven't checked out my Christmas videos, go look at my Christmas Too Faced. I have 3 videos and I like swatch all this stuff and talk about it. So go after this, check that out. Okay, so Lash Paradise. I do like that one. It is running low though. So these nude sticks. This lighter one, I'm just going to get rid of. I don't like it. This one I will keep for now. Yeah, that's a good color. Okay, there were a couple of them that were just too light for my skin, especially as I get lighter in the winter. It's not a good look. Chunky Cherry. This is fun to like add just a little brightness over a darker color for me. Like sometimes, like I said, I look like a corpse in the winter. So I need to kind of liven up my face. So sometimes I just need like a little brightness, like an undertone, you know, like a little hint. This is my Steal a Kitten go-to. We'll marry it. Brush. These I never use. You know what? Actually, that's a lie. In the summer, I brought this in my makeup kit. I'll keep that for next summer. This I'm going to give to my mom. I don't use it. I have my Racateur that is a better suit. Okay, this is the other lighter color. So this was Nude Sticks. It's just, it does not look good at all on my skin tone. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. All right, now we have this color, Dolce Vita by NARS. That is pretty. I love that. Very pretty. We're going to keep that. I got a lot. Who knew I had all this stuff? Killer Liner by Too Faced. I did try this and liked it. There it is. Very good pigment. I didn't even open this yet. This is a lip pencil. Oh, this is a darker one. So I may swap that other one out. I think I'm going to get rid of the one I showed you from the drawers over there. Well, I'll find it later. Anyway, so this is NYX, and it is a really pretty, like, darker color for those fall and winter months. This is crap. It's a Revlon thing, and it's old and dried and gross. We don't love it. Here's another Scandalize. I should go through and see. I think one of them is kind of old, so I'll go through and figure that out. This is like hair mascara. I use it for Cora when I put her hair in a bun for dance. But it also can like keep your flyaways down. It's kind of gross to touch. It's not like an everyday thing I'd use, but I have one for myself too. Here is Nude Sticks highlight. There we go. Let me do a little swatch so you can see. It might get too dark for me. There we go. It might get too dark for me in the winter, we'll see. But I used it this summer and I liked it. For my dry skin, that dewy stuff is better. It's called Bubbly Baby. Bubbly Baby. My MAC Studio Finish Concealer. I feel like I'm going to hold on to it for a backup. And then I have the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Oh, gosh. As much as I want to love this stuff, it always looks like way off my skin color. I don't know. I'm going to get rid of it. I'll use my concealer now. Then I have Tarte. I have a love-hate. First of all, these are like so light. I have a love-hate relationship, and I think it's time to go with these. It's like, I'll like it. I like the coverage, but it ends up, I don't know, kind of creasing, like getting in the lines, and that's why this Ilia stuff I'm really liking, but I almost don't want to part with it just in case, just to make sure. I want to test out the Ilia. I've only used it one day, so this is like getting old and all like, I don't know if you can tell, like discolored, so that can go. And I have this like little weenie baby, so I might keep that for travel anyway. The Ilia is a glass bottle, so maybe I'll keep that for travel. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational that I mixed with the other guy. I'll use it. It's almost gone. Use it till it's dead. The MAC lip gloss, it's very sticky and the color is too light, so I always pair it with something, and I'm trying to use more like one color at a time if I can. So we're gonna get rid of the lip gloss. That's an odd. The Wet n Wild. Oh, Alexa, off. Love a good yellow. This Wet n Wild. It's too pink for me. This is there it is. It's like more of a cool tone pink than I thought. Don't like it. This is, yeah, there's the old Scandal. That is, I don't know, that's like really old. I always have my Scandalized by Rimmel, like always, but I actually haven't been doing the under eye, so I haven't been using them. Here is another lip pencil. I was wondering where this was. I'm not kidding. This was buried in the bottom of this thing. So this is good. I'm going to keep that. I'm going to swatch it for you. Tell you. Oh, this is, actually, I'm not going to keep this. I know this is going to not do good things for my dry face, dry lips. Really dry ones will settle. Now we're getting those lines, guys. I'm 42, like little lines. So sad. But this is a dry formula. I'll give that to somebody else since I haven't used it. And then there is this. This is by Wet n Wild, and it is in the color Bare Your Soul. I'll swatch that for you just so you can see. This is pretty good. It's very pigmented, pretty creamy, good color. Okay, we'll keep that guy. Now, this was the highlight I was talking about, how I got rid of the other one because I had better. This is the Becca. This has been around forever. It is a fan favorite. This is Smashbox and Becca did a combo in the last year. It's called Champagne Pop, which, if you know, it's been around for... It's just a beautiful, beautiful little glow. I love this one. This is my jam right there. My jam. Okay. Oh, the Lancome. I forgot about this. I didn't like it too much. IDOLE. It's okay, but I almost used it all up, and it's not my favorite, so not going to keep things that aren't my favorite. I'm going to wash my little sponge. Another brush. This is just a pencil sharpener from my other guys. Oh, this is awesome. Go follow my friend Ashley's Light on Instagram. She sells amazing candles and stones, crystals, and oh my gosh, this is my favorite. Oh, it's rose. I love rose, so I got this. Beautiful. Her packaging is always really like on point. But this is rose oil, and it smells so real, like not like a nasty fake scent, you know? I love it. And then this, I'm going to get rid of that. That looks like weird things are happening to it. It's just like a little tiny guy. He's gross. All right. So, let's put everything into the drawers and see how it is. I have to do eyeshadow palettes another day. That's just not going to happen. Hold on. Okay. So here it is. Let's see if it fits in here. All right, so let's put all like my powder stuff in here. Okay, that was too hard to film at the same time. So here we go. We have my basic powders I use every day, except that one is for summer. Here is my foundations and concealers and my like contour highlight. Then we have all my eyeliners, and this I use basically every day, so I'm stuffing it in there. And there is all of my mascaras, my brow stuff, and my little tools, tweezers, lash comb, and then my hair thing. And is that, okay, like it's hard to see. And then here we have this is my cheek and lippy, and then all of my lippies and my lip pencils, all that goody goodness, and it all fits. Oh wait, there's one more guy, one more lippy. Put it in there, and it all fits in here and is way more organized and will be easy to grab. I can now see everything I have again. And I will leave this right on my vanity, and then I get to say goodbye. So there is everything I'm getting rid of, and I am also on a like no buy unless I need phase of life, which is awesome. I mean, obviously I have like a little side money I'm holding every month, like $50 for if there's something I really want, but I'm doing so much better just not buying extra stuff. And because when you get like this, it's like you don't even know what you have, and it's not fun. And for makeup lovers like us, it's hard, but this is going to be much easier, so I'll be able to see everything. I feel much better about this, and I can go through all of these. I won't have to buy eyeliner for a while. Won't have to buy, actually, mascara. These are almost like all gone, so I am going to have to refresh my mascara. And then the lippies, I am good to go for a long time. And the Ilia, my foundation, I have to return. It smells weird. I love the formula, but it kind of smells. So I don't know if that's a thing. It just smells that way, or if it got a bad one. So I'm going to go get a new one this week. Thank you for following my declutters. All the fun. Let me know if you like these videos with a thumbs up, with a swatched out thumbs up. Hope you guys are good. Say hi in the comments. Tell me what you're up to. How was your week going? Happy November. It's fall here. It's been like really warm, and now it's, I think, finally getting colder. I don't want it to get cold. I love the warmth. But it was like 75 the other day and then dropped down like 20 degrees yesterday. It's just crazy around the DC area. We have like what we call fake fall. We have like 2 fake falls, 2 fake springs, and then finally it'll actually go into the season. So I think we're approaching the real fall now. So we'll see. But wanted to just pop in, say hi, do a little declutter, and I will see you in the next video. Deuces.